Welcome to Programming Fundas. Again today we are coming with string literals. We will discuss about some more functions. First one, length, already we have discussed. Next one is the strip one. The strip function that trims a particular value, that is the string given string can be trimmed with using the strip function. Next one is the lower function. We can convert a string from uppercase to lowercase using the lower function. Similarly, in the upper function, you can change the uppercase letter, that is lowercase letter, to uppercase letter. Then replace returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. That means suppose a particular letter can be replaced with a new one. Format, we can format the string in our own way. Capitalize, it will make the first letter capital. Case fold also gives the string into lowercase. It converts the string into lowercase. Then center returns a centered string. Count function can be used to get specific value in a string. Ends with, it checks whether one particular character is there in the end of the string, and it returns true. That means it is a boolean value will be returned, either true or false. Find searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Each digit, it checks whether the string has it is also each digit, it returns true if all characters in the strings are digits. As you know, strings are collection of numbers. It may be number, character, digits, whatever. Then is lower returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. Similarly, is upper also returns the if all the characters are in uppercase. Then rstrip it returns a right trim version of the string. That means from the particular position it will trim the strip, that is into the from the right hand side from a particular position. Similarly, rsplit splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. And splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Rstrip and split. Rstrip returns a right trim version of the string, and split returns a list that is specified, giving a separator. So after that we will discuss, along with this function, we will discuss in and not in check functions. That is, we will check using in and not in for a particular portion whether it is present in the given string or not. Here you see I have opened a file, and then I am taking one variable s equal to hello world. Now I will use different function with this string. So the use of functions, it returns either false or true. So first we will discuss about the lower and upper. See here, I will check s is the variable name. Is lower function is used to check whether a given string is in lowercase or uppercase. So here again we will save the file and and then run it. After saving it, string function, I am giving the name for my reference, save, then I am going to run it. Here you see string function, it is coming as false. Here you see it is coming true. Why? Because the string was given in lowercase. But if we change it to is upper, we will get false. Why? Because the string is not in uppercase. Save, run. Here you see it is coming as false. So next we will use the capitalize function, converts the first letter of the string. Save, run. Here you can see it is coming with the first letter hello world. First letter is in capital letter. Next we will see replace. Here you see the original was hello world. Now it has been changed to since O letter to K. So replace changes a particular letter according to the new letter to be replaced. Now again I will change it to K to O, since the original string is like that only. So save it and now run it. Now you can see it, now it is in the original form. Next we will discuss center. Now we will learn the count function. Count function returns number of word, number of letter that is given inside this bracket. It is known also as an argument. How many times it is present in the given string. So here you see 2 O is there, 2 O's are there. So here if we, after saving it, run it using F5, here you can see it is coming to the number, that is how many times it is present in the given string. In this case we are checking with the letter S. Now I will check whether the string is digit or not. Now I will check whether any digit present in the string or not. Control S, save and run. Here you see it is coming as false. Why? Because there is no digit present in the string. Now I will check whether it is alphabetic or not. Here it is again coming false. Why? Now I will check whether a particular substring is present in the given string. Here I will check WO. As you see, WO is present, that is, it is a part of the string hello world. So I am taking that part only. Print WO it should be within quotation mark in S. That means whether WO is present in the string or not. All the output you will see in Boolean form, it may be true or it may be false. In this case, it should be true. So let's see, it is coming, the last one, it is true. So it is present in this string. So now suppose we are giving a value like kp. As you have seen that kp is not there in this given string. So obviously we should get the result as false. So you see here it is coming as false. Now if this is the in function. Now if we use to check the strings, this is in and not in is used for checking the screen. So if I add the letter not before in, then it should come true because kp is not present in the given string. After saving it, run it. Here you will see this time previously it was false, but now it is coming as true because this substring is not present in the given string. Again, if I change it to WO, let's see, it should be false. Why it is coming false? Because WO is there. So not in is used to check whether this given string is not in the string that we have created with the variable s. So you must mention the variable name wherever you have entered the value. Now we will learn an interesting function that is for entering some numbers in a given string, and for this we use here format method. That means we can combine strings and numbers by using this format method. Let's take one new string. It will make confusion if I write many. Hi everyone, my birthday is on August. So here you can see here the number is missing, the date is missing. Now if I want to enter the date here, I have to use the format method. That is, say I am giving here another variable, say is say the date of birth is equal to 10. So what you have seen, on it is missing. If I put one this statement, this curly braces, then I will write the print statement for the string s with the format. I will give the variable name as dot format function, this inbuilt function, along with the argument that I have stored my birthday in the name of identifier name is date of birth. So close the bracket and now save it and run it. See here, it is given, hi everyone, my birthday is on 10 August. So I can format it. Everyone, my birthday is on 10th August. So don't forget to wish me on 10th August.